And look, this is a room tour of room 7626 on the Disney Magic. So let's go in. This is an actual Navigator's veranda room. So like I said, it's 7626 on the Disney Magic. So on my right hand side, as you come in the room, you have the split bath and shower combination. So this is night time now, so the server does like a turn down service. So you've got full, they don't call it H2O anymore, but it's Disney's hand soap, sink, nice little kind of shelf here, nice size mirror, 2 lights. Then here, this is what I like on the Magic, is you get all the storage here as well. So you've got plenty of storage, you've got your towels, so it's plenty big enough. So you can just see there, you've got your storage. And your shelves, that's one bathroom. Then into this bathroom here, this is the shower area. So you can see here, you've got your tub with your shower combination, and you've got the pulley string there to pull across to do drying clothes. There's also a little shelf here that I like to hang stuff on. You've got shelves in the shower as well. Then you've got all the, what used to be H2O, but you've got shampoo, conditioner, body wash, body lotion. You've got your little makeup wipe. You've got flannels. We just putting our toothbrushes there. Then you've got trash can bins underneath here, tissues, towels, and then you get more extra large towels behind the door, hook on the back of the door, and again, a decent sized mirror in here as well. And then I don't think I showed that under there. There is a bin as well for waste, sharps box, extra tissues and anything you may need in there. Then on the other side is the wardrobe. So we've just got some stuff in here at the minute, but you've got plentiful of hangers, life jackets, and the wardrobes have a light in them. It's a sliding door system. We've just stored our suitcases in there for the moment, so you can see there's definitely big enough because you can get suitcases in them, and they just slide across. So that one shuts and the other side here opens up. And then on the other side, I can't quite show it because of our big suitcase is too big. We've got a little suitcase, more storage hangers here. Then you have the laundry bag where you can request laundry service, safe, and 2 little pockets there for storage. And you can always put more storage up there with the life jackets as well. Then we've got a really nice picture here of Walt and Lily. Then you get 4 glasses, we're just using one at the moment. And you've got some drawers here. So it starts off with one big one and then the rest are all small drawers. Got bin again. Then you've got 2 big deep drawers here. And then this goes into like kind of cupboard space here like that. You've got some nice cupboard space. Then we've got a really nice picture here as well. I like this picture. It's Pirates of the Caribbean sketch artist by Mark Davis, 1965 in Disneyland, which is a really nice sketch. Then turning around to face this way, you've got a hook here just between the bathrooms, full length mirror there. Then this side of the bed, you've got the lovely Disney lights. That's just, we're just finishing off our clouding. Telephone and main light that does all the lights. There's no plug on this side though. Oh no, sorry, I apologise, there is a plug. I've just realised it's underneath there. There's no USB is what I was trying to say. Bed, love the Disney bedding. See the little hidden Mickeys, look. So cute. Then on this side it's the same again. You get a little drawer, plugs again, but no USB. light switch and the lovely light again, and the good big bed head. Then you get the curtain that pulls back in two, so you can separate the two areas. And then at the moment, because it is night time, this has been pulled out into a bed for our daughter, but it comes into a sofa in the day. So you can see the space now. So there's plenty of space. I just zoomed out so you could see the space. Then she has a really nice little saying there, dream is a wish your heart makes. We don't have the sofa bed up here. This is only sleeps 3 people. So it has the sofa bed and the double bed. This room just sleeps 3 people. Then we have a table. This is the mini fridge is in here. So we've got plenty of storage in the mini fridge. TV. Got some cupboard space up here. Just got a few last minute bits in there. Then you've got storage in here. So there is a hairdryer. That's something that someone gave us, and a duck Matilda needs to hide yet. Then there's again the small little drawers. You always have your drawer here where you get your if you want to do your breakfast in the morning, that's where you write out your breakfast, and just Disney information. You get postcards and things in there as well. We've got a little stool under here as well, and the drawers are the same on this side. One big one, all small ones. Then you've got a big desk area here, a nice mirror, and then you've got lights either side. You've got a USB plug there, and then you've got port chargers and the hairdryer. And then because this is a Navigator's veranda, I'll show you now. I'm going to go out here. So we turn the light on. So you have to undo this to undo the door. The lock for it is up here at the top. So you just change that from lock to green. That's how you keep the lock open. It says, please keep balcony door closed to maximise cabin air conditioning. So this is our Navigator's veranda. So you can see here, so we have a really cool, nice little comfy chair here. There's no dividers between the two, so you can't go between two if you've got one on either side. It's not possible to take the dividers down. So you get a chair, it's all wrapped round in this gorgeous wood panelling. This is the little light that comes on at night time to light up. And then you've got all these really cool little things down here. We're not sure they work. You've got temperature and humidity. That's not telling the right time. There's another one there. And you've got a really lovely bench seat here. The only thing is it the little jut of the bench sometimes hurts you back a little bit, but it's super comfy on the actual seat bit. Table, and then you've got a big map here, so it tells you where Castaway is, and then you can obviously follow some other places, or we're on the Florida coast. It says there North America, East Coast, Cape Hatteras to the Florida Straits. And then this is the porthole. But this is not a porthole where you can't see, it's a porthole where you can go out in the porthole. So you can see there's a ship just out there in front of us. We think it's the Carnival one that left before. So this is a porthole that, you know, the ocean is just down there. It's a normal porthole that's not got a glass thing in it. It's like the normal verandas, so you could be out here enjoying the day, watching the ocean. It's really, really beautiful. Oh, the ceiling as well. The ceiling's lovely on it. It's really well themed. So it's a really, really, really nice veranda. I'll just shut that for you. Let that go. And I'll just show you this way. And then that is the end of the tour of 7626 on the Disney Magic. And there you go.